traders, I'm looking at WTI oil at the moment, and we can see that this is traded into a key monthly level here. Just mark that up, 1M, and then we'll go down the time frames and have a closer look at it. So 1 month, you can see how it reacted around this level back here, back in here. So we'll go down to, well, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, just work our way down. Okay, then we can mark up this weekly. So we've got a monthly and a weekly combination level here. Yeah, just call that a W. So basically this is trading into this big liquidity pool under here. There'll be sell stops resting under there that this will eat up, and the path of least resistance, in my opinion, is going to be a pullback. So we've got big liquidity resting under these lows here. Okay, it's traded right into it. This is a big support level. So I'm thinking this pulls back. And the other thing we can see with this is if we pull a line from high to low, well, it's overextended, and a move back into equilibrium makes sense to me. Just pull that to the front. So if we go down now to the 4H, my bias is a counter trend. Yep. Looking to target possibly, let's have a look. Well, I mean, even if we pick up this 4 hour green candle prior to the move, that's one thing. And the other thing we have here is a bearish imbalance. I think a move back in this 4 hour imbalance into this zone here would be a thing. All right, so my bias with this would be possible retrace, and then I'd be looking for a possibly a counter trend. Well, not counter trend. I mean a sell opportunity if it pulls back off this level. That's my take on WTI at the moment. Would really love you to share your ideas, guys. There's a comment section below. Definitely leave a comment, and yeah, share your ideas with everyone. That would be awesome. So that's my take on WTI US oil at the moment. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.